Welcome to Little Chess Champs. Today we are going to learn about the most unique piece of the chessboard, the pawn. Pawns are unique. Pawns are special. They move forward in a straight line, like walking down a path. But guess what? When it's time to capture, they do something really cool. So how pawn capture? Pawn capture by moving one square diagonal forward. That's right, diagonally, not a straight ahead, and certainly not backwards. So imagine you are the pawn. If there are a piece one square ahead of diagonal, you can capture it, right? So you can capture it. Where can pawn capture? Pawn can capture in two diagonal directions, one to the left, one to the right. But wait, if your pawn is on very edge of the board, like a rook pawn, it can only capture one square diagonally. How capturing works? Now let's see how the capture actually happens. When your pawn moves onto a square with an opponent piece, it is removed from the board like this. If pawns are here, we can capture diagonally and we can remove the piece of opponent. Take a look at this. Pawn position before capture. Here, white pawn can capture the black rook and black knight. Yes, it can, as long as they are on diagonal squares in front. But the white pawn can't capture the black bishop directly in front of it. It has to wait until the black bishop moves out the way. Let's capture through pawn. So white pawn taking the rook. So rook is going out, black rook is going out, and black pawn is capturing white knight. So white knight is move away from the board. Then again white pawn capturing black queen. So black queen is moving away. So black pawn capturing white bishop. So white bishop is moving away from the board. So like this, capturing works. Here let's see another example. So here